Hello students. Now this is your first lecture after that our lockdown. Here in this whatever I am explaining or whatever I will show to you from in this copy, you have to note down in your notebook also, and using the same way which one way I am writing, and that you also do same as in your copy. And don't be confused which pen I am using there, because this first time you are using in class 4 pen. So use carefully, don't mash up with your handwriting, be proper, use it. And so let us begin our revision. I'm not taking that chapter 1 revision. Whatever things it is required for upcoming classes, that topic I will revise to you. So first is your number system, that chapter, second chapter. I am started from second chapter. Number system. So there is a two topic, Indian system and international system. So Indian system, place value, all are there new, easy. In previous one classes already you have to learn. Like again we have to revise. This is a ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. These are the place value. And it is a confusion, ma'am, why they are writing 322, because in one's family how many digits are there? 3. That's why I am writing here the member of ones 3. And here how many members are there? 2. That's why in 1000 family the members are living 2. In lakh families the members are living 2. Why we are writing these members? Because it's helpful for find out the number name and read out the number name and find out easily numeral of given the statement. Numerals means digit. How can you easily, if the number is given 3,45,000, how can you write it that number? So it is a very easy through commas. So you have to learn it, these two things. First place value, and this one is a comma. Second system is your international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. In this group, all are there having 3 members in each families. In one's family 3 members, 1000 family 3 members, and in million families 3 members. These are the place value and these are the commas number. You have to remember it, this number 322 and here 333, because it's helpful. Now question number 1, write number name using Indian system. These are number, these already I have written here. Now what is the step to find out number name of this? So you have to put, first step is here, whatever thing I am writing inside one, no need to write in your copy, because I want to explain you, that's why I am writing inside one, this one. The first step is here, put commas. Put commas. We are using Indian system. So what is the method of commas? 3, 2, 2. So from back one side, put leave 3 digit and put comma. Leave this 2 digit, put comma. This is easily. Then after, second step is here, put place value. Above of the digit, put place value. You have to write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, then after 10 lakh. Then after, now how to write this number name? First you read from in this digit. From starting you have to read it. What the digit is here? 68. Before the comma, what the digit is here? 68. Easily you can read 68, 68. So you have to write here 68. And this comma is finished on lakh 1. So then you have to write here lakh. 68 lakh 90. Now again after this comma and whatever in between of this 2 comma, what the digit is here? 95, 95. Then you will write here 95,000, because this comma in second one comma is finished on 1001 column. That's why I am writing 95,437. I hope so understand how I am writing this number, because this number easily you can read it, 437 Now next second number question, same process you have to follow, this two step you have to follow, and then easily you can write this number name also. Put commas and after above this digit put their place value, and then easily you can write this number name. Question number 2, this is the homework, this question number 2 for you. This question number 2, write number name using international system. We are using here international system. So remember, what is your first step? Put commas. Second step, place value. So we are putting here comma. The commas are in international system 3 3 3 3 3. From back side you have to leave the digit 1 2 3 1 2 3. These are the three family of ones. These thousand and these are million. Now after that write the place value, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, and then after 10 million. Start from beginning. This is the 3 6 36. You have to write here 36. Finish this comma on millions. You have to write 36 million, 36 million, 36 million. Then after 578, this is a 578. How can you read 3 1 digit? Same as you have to read it. 578 means 578. And finishing this comma on 1001 column. So you have to write 500 70 78 thousand 578,000. And next one 295 means 295. I hope so understand this number name using international system. Same this question number 2 of this question number 2. You have to solve it as at a homework. Now question number 3. Write numeral using Indian system. Now question number 3. Write numeral using Indian system. Already we have done number name, how numeral is given, and how to convert this numeral in number name. Now number name is given and we have to convert in numeral in this numeral. So what is the process of this one? Same. First step is your write place value. What you will write? Place value. So you have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, and divide in these families like that. And after that, now here we started from beginning, now here we started from back side. Here we started from back side. So what the digit is your back side? 7. So you have to write here 7. Where? In ones one place. 7. Not a 7. Here you read proper. 307. So 307 you will write here 307. Then after in 1000 family, what the digit is here? 30. In 1000 family, this is the 1000 family. We will write here this digit. What the digit? 30. 30. In lakh family, what the digit is here? 10. We will write here 10. The family, which one is family is given? This family from in front, the digit member will come. What the member of in this family? 10. So that's why I am writing it. In 1000 family, member is your 30, and in one's family is your 307. So this is your answer, and you can write with, you can also 10, 30, 307, and easily you can read 10,30,307. One more example I am taking for you. So first you have to write again ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Again you have to divide First from back side I already told you what the digit is here, 40, because 1000 is came, so that's why this number is your 1000 family. So 40, where you will write 40 from in ones place, so 40 will come here 40. In 101 place if you will write 40, so that becomes your 400, that's why I am not writing in 101 place, you leave it this place. Then after, what the digit is here, 73. In 1000 family you will write here 73. Now which digit is which space is there, you have to fill with 0. What you have to fill? 0. You have to fill with 0. Then number it become 73 comma 040. It means 73,040. I hope so understand why I did this dark, because you can understand we are filling this 0. From using this method we are filling this 0. And now you have to do this question number 3 using Indian system. Make chart first and after putting according to the chart one values and putting the family members digit. Now question number 4, write numeral using international system. Numerals we are writing but using international system. We have to remember 333. In this international system members are living 333. So first same process we have to write numbers, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. These are the families, million, thousand and ones families. So start from back side. What the digit is here? 6,370,000. These are the 1000 family. Only this number is here blank 5. So you have to write first 5 here, because the 5 number is here. Then after in 1000 family, what is the digit is here? 1000. I already told you from beginning of this 1000 family member you will see. This number is came 1000, you have to see 370. So you have to write here 370. Then after in million one column, in front one what is the member? 6. So in million one column you have to write here 6. What you will write here? 6. And after that remaining one digit put there zeros. Here is the remaining, put zeros, put 0. Then the digit is become 6 comma 370 comma 005. The digit is here 6,370,005. I hope so understand. Same as in this one, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. Again the process 45. You have to write here 45 because these are numbers are not given. In million family members are given. That's why I am writing here 3. These are the remaining. Put their zeros. The number it become after that 3, 0, 0, 0, 045. And third one is your homework. You have to do at your home. This is the last question, question number 5. Write down the face value and place value, underline the digit. This is the underline. Face value never change. Whatever the digit is asking, the number itself will come. It's a 4. Here is also come 4. Here the 8. That's why I am writing here the 8. But in this one, how can you write it place value? According to their place value, you will find out ones, tens, 100, and these are the 1000. That's why here will become 4 is coming in 1001 place value. That's why the place value will come 4000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 8 is coming in on 10,000. 8 multiplied by 10,000. It means 80,000. The place value is here 80,000. I hope so understand. And remaining at home you have to do it. This is the homework I will give to you. See, 6, 8, 4, 5, 7, 9, 0. You will find 4 place value and face value. D7. Here you have to find 7 place value and face value. Face value never change, but place value according to the places we will write. Bye.